Hello, and today I will be playing Roblox. So here we're gonna play Build a Boat for Treasure. Oh, look at me! I'm lucky and in the white team. So there's so I just bought the rockets, the red rockets. So now I can just fly to the sky. So I'll just show you real quick. Here. Okay. So as you can see, I'll just sit here. Perfect. I'll launch. I click this and I do WASD to control it. Oh, how cool is that? W to go up, S to go down, A to go left, D to go right. Pretty simple, right? So here, we're just gonna try to make it to the end. I'm pretty sure we're not gonna make it because if you didn't know, this has fuel. So it will run out of fuel soon. And I already experimented this with my friend, so I'm pretty sure it won't last for long. So as you can see, we're now in the, what I like to call the autumn forest. Because it looks like it's autumn here and it's kind of a forest. Oh look, there's a chest. Let me collect it. Stop the engine! Oh no! Oh, whatever. So I got 50 gold, 25 balloons, 25 bushes, and 1 chest, obviously. Okay, I just respawned, and I just died just because I just want to show what I got. So we got 25 balloons. I have 90 balloons. But if you didn't know what balloons do, you can place them on the ground, grab like a button or a lever. Both of them works. Same. Press it. And it'll blow a balloon. Now let me just delete all that. And also, we got, where is it? Bushes. Yay. You can do this for like decorating your boat or whatever. And yeah. So, I'm gonna build a boat real quick. And just to try to make it to the end. Okay. As you can see, I made a wheel. And if you don't know how to make this, it's really simple. Get any blocks you might want. Make sure you have a lot of them. Make it into this shape. All the lengths the same. And like this. And you need to have this certain chair that I have, which is this chair here. This chair allows you to control anything. And to get this, you have to save up for this, 4,000. Maybe I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure you do, because I saved up for that, and now I'm broke with only 251 gold. So let's go ahead and try it out. Okay? Let's see if we can make it to the end. To go forward is kind of weird for me, because it's S to go forward. And the controls are all different. It's very confusing. It's A to go right, D to go left. Very confusing. W to go backward and S to go straight. That's confusing for me. Is it confusing for you? Let me know in the comments. Now all we want to do is go straight for now. Because you don't really want to move in this or else you just fall. So, for some reason, I have royal member. Like, does anyone know what that is? If you do, can you please comment it in the comments? Because let me know, because I really need to know. Oh, this looks very, very beautiful. Confusing controls. Very confusing controls. So I want to see if we can make it to the end. Oh no, tsunami! No! Will we make it through? We made it through. Let's go. Oof. God, that hurts. Oh my god, there's bombs! Okay. Let's see if we can make it. Okay, we're almost to the end. Oh no! No, not this. This, like, map, I really think is challenging. Well, we made it either way. Whoa, that's scary. Oh, do you hear that? That's the waterfall. So we're almost at the end. Ah! If I was there, it would give me goosebumps. Oh my goodness. And we successfully made it to the end. Alright. Oh, okay. Now this should all disappear. Yep. Okay. And we get gold. So, we get 1 gold block and 125 gold, which I think is good. So that's it for today. My first video ever. I think that was good. And I'll see you next time. Bye.